Good morning, students. Let's start with a new topic international trade. The exchange of goods among people, states, and countries is referred to as trade. The market is the place where such exchanges take place. When the trade takes place between two countries, it is called international trade. It can be done by sea, air, or land routes. When the trade is carried in cities, towns, and villages, it is known as local trade. State level trade is carried between two or more states. The economic prosperity of country depends on the advancement of international trade. Trade is considered the economic barometer for a country. As we know that resources are space bound, means they are available in the particular area, but they are demanded in the whole world. So that's why resources need to be available to the demand location. So in this situation, no country can survive without international trade. Balance of trade. Export and import are the two components of trade. The difference between export and import is known as balance of trade of a country. Balance of trade is of two types. Number one, favorable. Number two, unfavorable. If the value of export exceed the value of import, then it is called favorable balance of trade. But if the value of import exceed the value of export, it is termed as unfavorable balance of trade. India has good trade relations with all geographical regions of the world. There has been 8.64% of share of agricultural products, 6.91% of base metals, 17.02% of gems and jewelry, 12.06% of chemical and related products in export. If we talk about commodities that are imported in India, are crude oil and petroleum products 22.4%, gems and jewelry 12.8%, chemical and related products 9.76%, base metals 5.95%, electronic items 10.94%, machineries 8.9%, agricultural and allied products means related with agriculture 5.84%. Because of exchange of information and knowledge, the exchange of goods and commodities have been increased. India has emerged as a software giant at the international level. It is earning large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. Next part is tourism as a trade. Tourism is an activity in which people travel to places outside their usual environment for leisure, business, or other purposes. Tourism in India has grown to a large degree over the last 3 decades. Foreign tourists' arrival in the country is increasing every year. There is an increase of 4.5% during the year 2015 as against the year 2014. It has contributed rupees 1 crore 35 lakh 193 of foreign exchange in 2015. 8.03 million foreign tourists visited India in 2015. More than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. There are some more benefits of tourism, such as tourism promotes national integration. It provides support to local handicrafts and cultural heritage. It also helps in the development of international understanding about our culture and heritage. Foreign tourists come to India for visiting historical places and for places related to conservation of environment such as wildlife sanctuaries. Heritage tourism means for cultural and historical resources. Ecotourism means they travel to natural areas that conserve the environment, sustain the well being of local people. They also visit India for a new culture or a new landscape, means for adventure tourism, and also for cultural tourism that includes cultural attraction. Medical tourism refers to traveling to another country for medical treatment such as hospital, medical history, etc. And business tourism, that is a form of travel which involves business activities, also attracted the tourists. So, efforts are being made to promote different types of tourism for the upcoming industry. That's all for the day. Have a nice day.